Welcome to the VELTRAS Product Overview. This video is part one of a two-part series that provides an introduction to the product and an overview of the functionality. Part two is dedicated to tracking and reporting capabilities of the VELTRAS production system. The board function is the main production element of the VELTRAS system and the tool used to manage vehicles through the repair funnel. The virtual vehicles, VVMs, are color-coded for quick identification of status by all users. Red waiter, white drop-off, yellow and orange carryovers, and blue internal. The repair categories listed at the top are aligned with repair categories of technicians where movement is required. They are used to segment the work for specialization or manage specific work funnels such as quick service or internal. The repair categories are completely customizable by operation type and can be easily adopted for other repair environments like collision repair. We will begin on the backlog screen where users manage vehicles waiting to enter the repair process and add their virtual vehicles to the system. Within the backlog, users can reprioritize the workload with simple drag and drop functionality. In addition, users will dispatch the work to the appropriate technician using the drop-down at the bottom of each vehicle. Only technicians assigned to that category are included. This sends the VVM into the repair stages process. The technician is alerted via the notification button on their screen and by text or email if desired. Repair stages is where technicians are able to manage their assigned vehicles through the repair process. When ready to begin working, the VVM is merely dragged over to the in-process section. To support asset management and transparency, the technician is required to indicate which stall the vehicle will be worked. All repair stages are tracked in time to provide reporting, which includes average repair and hold times. Shop personnel can move vehicles through the repair stages using either drag and drop functionality or a selection of the stage of repair using the drop-down menu in each VVM. This includes sending the vehicle back to the backlog screen for reassignment to another technician if necessary. The Technician tab within the boards indicates all the vehicles within each technician work funnel and its current status. This screen enables management to quickly reprioritize workflow individually, identify open or idle technicians, and load balance the shop. The stall screen identifies location of the vehicle in the facility and provides quick identification of unutilized space. Stalls can be labeled by user or work type in the settings section. A chat bubble is included in each virtual vehicle and available through every stage of the repair process. This allows users to communicate internally regarding each vehicle. Users can attach pictures, video, documents, internet links, and audio files for additional information, which is particularly useful for authorization of repairs or part descriptions to reduce hold times and assist in sales. We thank you for your time in reviewing this presentation of the VELTRAS Shop Production System. If you would like to know more, have any questions, or would like to discuss how the system can impact the velocity in your department, please email us at support@veltras.com or visit our website at www.veltras.com.